In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete GitHub API key. You have already generated API key. Now you want to decide to delete. This is easy method. For just follow my instruction. First, I open GitHub. After login, you need to just click on this setting. Again, going on profile, then going on setting. Then scroll down. Then click developer setting. Then generate a new GitHub app, then personal access token. Then this is the option find generate token. You have already generated, and this is a new generate. So I click on find generate token. Then you can see here the two API key I have already generated for my work purpose. So I want to decide to delete. So here is the method. Just click on delete. Again click delete. That's it. Again click delete. Again delete. Wow, it's already working fine. Thanks for watching. See you again.